Hello, second graders. Today we are going to talk about another sound that A can make. We know that there are two sounds that A can make. We know that A makes a short sound. Do you remember what short A sounds like? Apple. And long A. Long A says its name. It says A. Okay? Today we're going to learn that A can make a third sound. And so, before I tell you what that is, I want to see if you can listen for it and if you can notice it. Okay, so listen as I read these words. Asleep. I think Will is finally asleep upstairs. Away. We threw away the trash. Away. Afraid. She is afraid of the dark. And ago. It feels like so long ago that we got to go to school. Ago. So the words asleep, away, afraid, ago. Did you hear that sound? Did you hear what they all have in common? Did you see what all those words have in common? They all start with the letter A, and the A is not short or long. It's not sleep or a sleep. This is a third kind. This type of A is called a schwa A, and it sounds like a short U, like umbrella, right? Asleep, away, afraid, ago. Okay, so this is called a schwa A. Now, we're going to try to spell some words with schwa A. So you can grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Push pause while you get that. And then each of the words that you spell, when you hear the sound today, it's not going to be a short U. It's going to be a schwa A. Okay? So let's start. Let's try to spell the word apart. So it's two syllables. The first syllable is and the second syllable is part. Apart, apart. How do you think you spell it? Well, the A is a schwa A, like the word and then part. So no space. Apart, apart. Okay, let's try to spell the word ago. I feel like it was so long ago. So the first syllable, second syllable, go. Ago, ago. Ago. Okay, ago. How about the word along? So the first syllable is and the second syllable is long, long. Along. 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 Okay. How about across? First syllable, second syllable, cross. Cross. Across. 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 And we have to floss the S. Across. How about alive? Live. Live. Now it could be a silent E or it could be a Y. When you look at those two alives, does one of them look right? Hopefully the first one, because that's the right one, alive. Okay, how about the word afraid? So the first syllable is and the second syllable is aid. Afraid, afraid. So we know is A, and then F-R. Now I hear a long A sound, A. So it could be just A. That looks like a frad to me. It could be a consonant E, or a consonant E. It could be a I, for aid. Or it could be a Y. But we know it's not a Y because that comes at the end of the word, like play and sway, right? So it's not this one. Now, as you look at the rest of these, I think if I look at that top one, I can say to myself, well, that if I read that out, if I tapped that out, I would say or add, a frad. So it's not that one. Now, both of these it could be, and that's why it's so important that you read a lot, because if you read a lot, chances are you're looking at these two words and you're saying to yourself, one of them looks right and one of them looks wrong. Do you know which one is wrong? This one's wrong. AI is the right spelling pattern. Okay, afraid. Now, a schwa A can also come at the end of a word. Okay, how do you think you'd spell the word tuba? He played the tuba in the marching band. Tuba. T-u-b-a. Tuba. Tuba. T-U-B-A. Tuba. And how about, Lydia, you're going to like this word. Panda. First syllable, p-a-n, pan. Second syllable, d-a-da. Panda, panda. P-and-da. Okay? Which, by the way, I was kind of surprised that Lydia did not choose panda this morning for our game. Was anybody else surprised by that? I think she was trying to trick us. She was probably thinking we'd all say panda. So that's schwa A. So in your dictation today, you're going to be practicing the schwa A. So when you hear that sound, it's going to be an A. Schwa A.